I appeal to all my members, I appeal to my friends that let us close the business of the House today itself.
The sense of the House. Okay.
The chair must take the sense of the House.
Absolutely.
Whether we want to continue.
Absolutely.
23rd of July.
No.
It has been reported on the 23rd of July in the bulletin that in the BSc that was held, it was discussed and decided that whenever it is necessary, the House can sit for. And look at this.
Would you?
This is the whole sense of
Let
the
me
House.
read out. Let me read out.
In favor of passing the bills.
Okay. Firstly, let me read out what has been already mentioned in the bulletin. It says, let me read out. The committee also recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. as and when necessary for the transaction of government, legislative and other business. So this has already been mentioned in the bulletin. Based on that, this bill is being brought in. The General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move a motion for consideration of the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021.
I rise to move for the bill further to amend the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972 as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Are you to say something now or would you prefer to say later? Later. Motion moved. There are 4 amendments by Shri Binoy Vishwam, Shri Elamaram Karim, Shri Derek O'Brien and Shri Tiruchi Shiva for reference of the General Insurance Bills Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Members may move their amendments at this stage without any speech. Shri Binoy Vishwam, are you moving your amendment?
He's in bell.
He's in the Welsh. Shri Elamaram Karim, are you moving your amendment? He is not in his place. Shri Derek O'Brien, are you moving your amendment? Shri Tiruchi Shiva, are you moving your amendment? Amendment moved.
Not moved, sir. Move नहीं किया है.
Shri Tiruchi Shiva, are you moving your amendment? You are moving. Amendment moved. The motion for consideration of the bill and the amendments moved thereto are now open for discussion. Hindu Shekhar Ray, are you going to speak? Microphone, please.
This government has killed democracy by introducing this bill after 49 years of nationalization. Why this bill has been brought out, government has failed to explain.
Please speak on the bill.
Yes, I am speaking on the bill.
Yes, please.
Kindly listen, I am speaking on the bill.
Sure.
After 49 years of nationalization of insurance sector, why this government has brought out this bill? Only to appease and help its cronies, the crony capitalists. Only to help the crony capitalists, the government has brought this bill. That is why I oppose on my behalf tooth and nail.
Thank you. Shri Prashant Nanda ji. Mani Shri Prashant Nanda ji.
Thank you, sir. The proposed legislature seeks to ensure that the guaranteed amount of up to 5 lakh is paid to depositors within 90 days of the Reserve Bank of India RBI placing a bank under moratorium. I support the bill, sir. Sir, the central feature of the bill is the insertion of section 18A after section 18 of the Principal Act. The second major feature of the bill is the amending of section 15 to enable the corporation to increase ceiling on